is ushered in with a lot of expectation, enthusiasm, and, of course, celebrations. Whether you decide to ring in 2023 with a promise to bravely live your best life or an upbeat toast to cheer everyone up for this new chapter in their lives, chances are you can learn a few things from the academics, writers, and artists. You alter your life and the lives of others when you display courage in the face of difficulty. The most controversial motivational speeches in the world have overcome adversity and won by refusing to settle for average. People who have overcome adversity and never give up inspire us the most. Although luck is wonderful, life is meant to be lived. A struggle to overcome obstacles in life is sometimes the only way to overcome stress. Many times, conflict occurs to help us learn a lesson. Either we can acknowledge that lesson or we can ignore it. Go after your dreams with confidence. Show the world who you are by standing tall. Find a reason to get back up when the world knocks you down. Never lose hope for success. Try again, then try again. Feed your mind positive thoughts and avoid negative ones. Keep in mind that you can only fail if you give up. You get one step closer to success for every failure you experience. You are brave, you are not afraid. You are strong, you are not weak. You stand out from the crowd, you are not ordinary. Keep on and don't give up. Have no regrets when you reflect on your life. You will find your way if you have faith in yourself and your future. You have a powerful fire inside of you that is just ready to burn bright. You were created for greatness. It may be both terrifying and wonderful to follow your ambitions. The ability to face fear is courage. Most people are held back by a fear of failing. Most people are not like you. Strive to convince others of your plans because they are valid. Only you are capable of doing this. We won't let anyone stand in the way of our aspirations. Most people are adept at the obvious. You develop something new. It's stunning, bold, and it's you. If you put your all into it, your dreams will come true and you will succeed. Now is your chance to pursue your dreams. Go for it.